How to use Home Design November 18th, 2025 properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Home Design November 18th, 2025 is a popular app for creating floor plans and interior designs, but beginners often make mistakes that slow progress or reduce accuracy. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is starting without a plan. Most people get this wrong by diving in without measurements or goals. Take accurate room measurements and sketch a rough plan before using the app. Second mistake, ignoring layers and furniture placement tools. You won't believe how messy designs get if you skip layers. Use separate layers for walls, furniture, and decorations to stay organized. Third mistake, neglecting scale and dimensions. The surprising truth is that small errors in scale can make your layout unusable. Ensure all objects are to scale and check dimensions frequently. Fourth mistake, overcomplicating designs too early. Beginners often try to add every detail immediately. Start with the basic floor plan, then add furniture and decorations, step by step for clarity. Finally, not using the app's November 18th, 2025 view is common. Switching to November 18th, 2025 helps you visualize space realistically and catch layout errors that aren't obvious in November 19th, 2025. Using Home Design November 18th, 2025 properly means planning ahead, using layers, maintaining scale, building designs step by step, and leveraging November 18th, 2025 views. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your design process will be faster, accurate, and much more enjoyable.